Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I have a few projects to show you. This is my share for Kokorosa Studios. I have some new dies that I've been playing with, and I've made some projects that I'm going to share with you. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the dies that I received so you can get an idea of what I've used. So the first one, I combine a few of the little flowers with the little flower pot, which is one of the dies. I made a cute little card, and this one pulls out a little note card that you can, write something on. And I'm really liking this little die set. I did use some items from, I believe, a Simple Stories collection, just some ephemera. And I just made this cute little card with it. The next card I made is using two of the little flowers from one of the dies with the little leaves. And I thought that was just really fun and easy to do. I did use a little washi tape from the washi tape shop. And then I just made this little kind of hinge to close up the card. I really like that design, and it's just so fun and easy to do. So I thought I would show you that one as well. And then the next one, actually, I had a lot of fun putting together because I have made something similar before. I will link that tutorial below so you can make one if you want to. And this is like a little, like a mini album. It has like a couple of little areas where you can add more ephemera. So for the front, I added that little butterfly pocket, which is one of the dies that I'll be showing you. I thought it was really cute, and I really like that, it has that design of the butterfly. For junk journals, it would be so cute to add that to a page. On this side of this little album, I've just got a little pocket, and then there's like a larger pocket on the inside. The tutorial that I have, I will link a couple of them below because I've shown you how to make them in a few different ways. The little envelope with the flowers and the little leaves are all from one of the die sets as well, and I will show you those in a few minutes. I just thought they were so adorable, and the envelopes are really cute. Now this has like some flip pockets in the center. And again, the tutorial I'm going to link below. I think I have a couple of different ones. I'll show you how to make this in a few different ways as well. On the bottom here, you've got the little birdhouse with the birds. That's part of one of the dies that I received, and I thought that was so adorable. On the top here, I just made a little pocket with, a little card that you can pull out. And then the back has another little pocket just with, a bunch of different things that you can put in there for ephemera as well. So I really had fun putting these together. It's taken me a little while actually to film this video. I've been having a little bit of issue with my shoulder and my arm, so I've been going to physiotherapy, and just filming and editing is taking a little longer than usual. So thank you all for being patient. I hope that you enjoy these project shares. I do have some tutorials coming up. It's just, again, the filming process, etc. This is one of the little mason jars that's in one of the sets I'm going to show you. And then some of the additional little greenery that comes with one of the dies. And then, of course, the little flower pot is actually like a little pocket, but I cut out the back of it just to put that on the front of my card. So let me show you what the dies are that I received, and so you can get some ideas on what I used, and then the different things that that you can do with them. I will have everything linked in the description box below, as well as a coupon code for anyone interested in purchasing something. So that little die that I showed you there, I didn't end up using that. That's not one that I ordered. They kind of sent that in, and I just wasn't sure how I wanted to use that at this point. This one is like a little storefront, and I was so excited about doing something with it. I haven't done anything yet, so you might see this in a different project, but I think it's such a cute little die because it has the different little areas of a storefront. I can see this being so lovely on a card, and also maybe like on the cover of a little mini journal. Thought that was really adorable. The little birdhouse, I did show you that in the project with the little birds. So this one is really cute. It does cut out that center. So if you wanted to, cut it, die cut it in different colors of paper, then you would get a couple of, different designs in the center. So that's a cute one there. The next one is these little houses. I believe they're like little boxes. I had planned to do something with them, but haven't yet. They do look really cute, and they are super tiny, as you can see that right there. So this is everything that cuts out when you use your die cut. The next one is the envelope with the different greenery and a few of the flowers. So I did show you that one in my project. I did use the little envelope and a couple of the flowers and the little greenery. Such a cute envelope. It is really nice, and I just love that I'm adding that to my little die sets, because I really do enjoy using envelopes in my little projects. The next one that I was looking at is this little banner that has the word spring on it, and then this is just how tiny it is. Everything's really small. It comes with a couple little clouds, the moon, the sun, and the little banners, so you can add the word spring to that, and I thought that was really adorable. I did show you the little butterfly pockets, and I'm going to show you that again in a minute. This one was that little cart that's at the top there. So it's supposed to be like a little, you know, cart with some apples, and it's got the wheels and everything. I think for me, this one has too many working parts that I would have to, you know, paper piece together. I may work on something like this. I was thinking of using this with the Maggie Holmes collection, Market Square, I think it's called. So I'm thinking I'll put something together and show you that in a bit as well. This is the butterfly pocket that I was talking about. It is really cute. I do pass it through my die machine twice so that all the intricate little pieces are cut out, and that works really, really well. And then this is that little flower pot that I mentioned. So it is like a little pocket. You would fold it in half, and then you would have a little pocket. But for my card, I ended up just cutting the half of it to use it, and then kind of made a pocket on the actual card itself. And then these are those little mason jars with the florals and the different greenery as well. Now, there's a lot of pieces to this, and it's really, really cute. There's lots of little elements. You've got the sort of base for the flower, and then the top where it's like a little bit more ornamental. But the mason jar, I wanted to point out, the larger one actually cuts out the additional piece, sort of like an outline. So that's another thing that you should keep in mind if you are getting that die cut. So that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I will be coming back very soon, hopefully, with some more tutorials to share with you. Leave a comment below. Let me know which project you like the most, and also let me know what other types of projects you would like to see on my channel. I'm starting to go back to my junk journals again, but of course I'm always open to, you know, mini albums and one-page wonders. See you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.